Time now for Morning Rounds with CBS News contributors Dr. Holly Phillips and Dr. Tara Narula. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
First up, new questions about the true healing power of medical marijuana. Doctors are allowed to prescribe pot in 23 states and Washington, D.C., but a groundbreaking new study challenges many of the expected health benefits that led to legalization. All right, Holly, what is it telling us, basically?
Right. So this was the largest review to date of the safety and effectiveness of medical marijuana. They looked at 79 different studies that involved about 6,500 or so patients. And what they found was that there was a moderate level of evidence to show it provided relief for a couple of things. Chronic pain, as in cancer, or stiffness that we see in conditions like multiple sclerosis. There was a low level of evidence to show that it provided relief for other things that it's commonly used for: Tourette syndrome, nausea and vomiting, in chemotherapy, or sleep disorders. I don't personally see this as a tremendous blow to the possibility that medical marijuana will be effective for these things. It just really points out how the paucity of research that we have. We need more research to really be able to make a strong argument.
So many people feel so strongly about this topic and talk about the benefits, but on the scale, do you think that the side effects outweigh the benefits outweigh the side effects?
I do, Anita, and I think there is a lot of stigma and controversy, but I clearly think that there are patients and conditions where the benefits outweigh the side effects or the risks. And I think we've really only begun to see the tip of the iceberg in terms of potential for marijuana. We just haven't studied it enough. But in terms of the side effects, for most of them, the common side effects are mild, and they include things like confusion, dizziness, nausea, dry mouth. And then when you talk about more serious side effects, those do exist too. And the concern in that realm would be things like addiction or addictive potential, cognitive changes, increased anxiety or depression. And then for adolescents who use this, is there potential for long-term damage or changes to the brain because the brain develops till the age of 25.
To add to the confusion here, there's another study that's come out that found edible medical marijuana is often mislabeled. Can this be dangerous, Holly?
It certainly can. So researchers tested 75 different products out there to see if the active ingredients in the products actually matched the amounts that were reflected on the labels of the products. And in only 17% of cases did that happen. So often products were over-labeled or under-labeled. Not only does this raise the risk of the possibility of accidental overdose, but I think it really points to we need to improve manufacturing and quality standards of these medications. That can't happen, though, and as Tara touched on this, that can't happen until we get some changes in how the medicines are qualified right now. Right now, the FDA hasn't approved them broadly on a national level. It's state by state.
Well, now to new findings on Alzheimer's. Researchers at Rush University Medical Center in Chicago found low scores on memory tests and thinking tests may signal the disease